Hey, what's going on, guys? Again here. A quick update on our GUI development for chess engine to connect the UCI chess engine. So, in order to avoid wasting your time on watching how I suffer from trying to make view elements to look like appropriate, to look appropriate, I decided just to add these two controls here. It's intended for the next video within this series. So the idea is that we would be able to set either the time to move, actually this move per seconds, or fixed ply to make a fixed depth search. So that's quite pretty simple. And the idea is if we set the time, the depth becomes not available, and on the contrary as well. So I hope this is clear. Another improvement, well, I've slightly changed the layout, so the score is now, and all the stuff is now been shown here kind of on the right, and PGN down below as before. But the good news now that if we just switch to something like a mobile version, it all goes just down below the board, which I really like, and I really like it much better how it's going. So hope it makes sense. This is basically kind of it. And again, like in the next video, we would be connecting this either time or depth limit selectors to pass this data within the post request to the backend. And probably one very last thing that left untouched here is this set FEN button is not yet being actually activated. So we'll do this shortly in this video, and then starting from the next one, we'll actually start connecting this sort of time control limits. Okay, I think here we can just handle. So yeah, by the way, how the handlings of the options are done. So we're just disabling in JavaScript using the jQuery. We're disabling by value either fixed depth or move time. So this is how it's done. This is the code. And regarding the selectors themselves, so here is the view element of the so-called strength control. So I hope this makes sense as well. Okay, and now let's specify this set FEN button click event handler. Okay, where is that? Okay, handle set FEN button click. So here I just want to say, so I just need to pick up this set FEN button by the ID, and on click the callback function, and here we need to set user FEN like this. So now how to make this? I just want to find the place where we're updating. So this kind of move. Well, actually, I'm not sure, but oh my god, here. So we need to say game.fen and put there what is available within the FEN, and take no, it's not a text, I guess this is the value. Okay, and now let's actually try to pick up some. Oh, new subscriber. Yeah, Thanks, Midri. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. Okay, so just want to pick up some valid FEN from, well, say from my engine to test this feature if it kind of works. Let's take CMK position, copy, paste, set FEN. Oh my god, and nothing works. Why is this so weird? Okay, maybe just something wrong. Maybe something wrong with the selectors. Set FEN ID, set FEN. Okay. So let's make sure that we actually do. Okay, we handle the button click. Now let's see what we actually do. Okay, and okay, so we take whatever is there. Okay, good. And I'm just wondering, in this case, oh, probably it's called load FEN. Not sure, but well, if it's not load FEN, I need to reference the chess.js documentation. But well, for now, let's give it a very last try. Load FEN is not a function. Okay. Then if just simply FEN okay, this is so strange. Okay, let's try. Okay guys, sorry, just hold on a sec, I need to figure this out. Okay guys, sorry, it's called load simply, and before that we also need to clear the board to kind of update the hold on a sec. Oh, the board is cleared, so this is done, I guess, automatically. So chess.load or game.load and FEN. Well, in this case, it's even more weird. Just trying to figure out whether FEN is actually getting fetched or not. Okay, hold on a sec. So it shows the initial position, but why this is happening? This is so weird. Okay, now this is initial. We make up a couple of moves. Okay, now this is different. So this is very strange. So after I load the FEN, okay, so his still says this one. Totally confused. Okay, guys, let's dig into it. Oh my god, guys, finally I've realized what I was doing wrong. Actually, it considered the FEN I've been pasting here to be kind of run out of FEN, so it just returned false, like been described here. That's because I had an extra space after the FEN string in my here, like an extra space. It's arguable whether it's good idea to to give such restriction or not, but anyway, we need to make a little handler to make sure that the FEN is actually is kind of correct, is correct there. So let's say if, and this, so we're trying to load a game, so if it is true, then we just parse set board position. Okay, and otherwise we can just say let's say alert, and let's say illegal FEN, and in this case we want to, well, actually no need to return, we would return automatically. So here on let's say FEN parsed, and here FEN is not parsed. Okay guys, so let's try to check this out again, and again, like I want to try my CMK position here. So let's try a normal FEN at the moment, copy and paste, set FEN. Okay, it sets its Y to move. Hold on a sec, why I can't move my pieces? Oh, that's because it's actually, yeah, okay. So paste set FEN, we just need to flip the board because it's black to move. Yeah, I can't move white pieces because it's black to move. So can make it like this. Okay, and in the case it would try to paste some run FEN here, set FEN, illegal FEN, and it doesn't work. Okay, and if again we just fix this, it should be working correctly. Okay, and then the new game. Okay, set FEN. One last thing I want to check now. So yeah, it actually starts printing the moves. So if I just now, yeah, it prints another move. So in the PGN it says the FEN we started with, and then just the move. So well, I think well, this is the standard functionality of chess.js library. I think this is quite pretty cool. Maybe not really that standard, but at least it's clear from the user perspective, like what's going on here. Okay, so I think we can actually drop at this point, and again, like in the next tutorial we'll go for adding this time control management on our backend. So I hope you learned something interesting out of this tutorial, guys. Hope to see you in the next one. Until that time, and take care.